Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to view insights on Instagram. Instagram Insights are a very powerful tool for analyzing your content's performance and understanding your audience. So here's how to access and use this feature. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to ensure you have a professional or a creator account. Now before we do that, if you don't have an Instagram app, just go to Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone and search for Instagram. Once the results appear, click on install. It will appear instead of the open button right here. Click on install and install it. It's very easy and very simple. As you can see, I already installed it, so I'm just gonna click on open. From here, you're gonna open your Instagram and also create an account if you don't have an account yet. It's very easy and very simple also. Now once you're in your Instagram account, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then click on the three dots, three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Insights right here, and select Insights. Let's search for Insights. Now make sure you have a professional account. I'm gonna show you how to switch to a professional account. Just go to let's see here, account type and tools, and click on switch to professional account right here. Continue, just follow the prompts, select the categories and click on done. Choose if it's for a creator or a business, and that's it. You switch to a professional account. To access the insights, click on the three horizontal lines in the right corner in your profile page, and go in the section for professionals and click on insights. From here, explore sections like content you shared, audience insights, and activity. The contents you shared, you can see detailed performance metrics for individual posts, stories, and reels. And in the audience insights, learn about your followers' demographic, including age, gender, and location. And in the activity, view profile visits, website clicks, and reach statistics. You can also use data to optimize your content strategy and improve engagement. For additional tips, post consistently and monitor insights and regularly to identify what works best for your audience, and experiment with different content types like reels, stories, etc. and track their performances. Now, Instagram Insights offer valuable data for growing your presence on the platform. By leveraging these tools, you can fine-tune your strategy and connect more effectively with your audience. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.